Hi, so I'm here to show you how to do the Bible bookmarkers. These are great for a gift, maybe a Christmas gift, just a gift for a friend. I gave one to a partner that's in my Bible group. She loved it. I have one, I love mine. You can personalize it, which I'm going to show you right now. They're quick and easy, as with most of my crafts. So here we go. Okay, first off, I got these little crosses on eBay, and as usual I'll put the link to where I got mine. It came with a variety. I got these, well, actually I might have gotten them from two different sellers. Then I got these that were like a little keychain. What I've done is take this off. These were already stained. I had purchased some rosary findings, and I put this one on here. I just cut off the loop, glued it on here, and then I run my ribbon through this loop, through this hole that's already pre-drilled. Let me see. I hope one I can show you. Oh, that's what I did. I put it through this way. Put a giant jump ring and tie a knot on there, but I think I made one with, yes, where I put the ribbon through, but it was hard. The hole's not that big, so it was hard to get very many ribbons through, so this one only has 3 ribbons. So you can only bookmark 3 pages with that one. But on this one, I put 2, 4, 6 because I used the jump ring. That was the deal. And then you would bead them. With this one, you just need to take your drill, make a hole. Whoops. Pretty off center, so I'll double that. And then you would stain it, or if you want to just leave it like this. This one I've already stained, and I also sealed it with Mod Podge. Then you're just going to poke your ribbons through. And I say that like it's easy. It really wasn't. Should have drilled a bigger hole. I don't know why I fought with it. But I used a toothpick to force them through, a couple at a time. Then I just tied it a really hard knot, and I glued on this little fake flower. I've done a couple different, the different flower. And you can vary the colors of ribbons to match your flower. Or you can just have it all kinds of colorful. Like this one, lots of colors. So what you're going to do after you get it that far, oh, and these little ribbons I got off of eBay too. I don't remember how much they were, but they were inexpensive. It came in a long rope, and then I trimmed them. I think they're 18 inches long. So, which, when put inside your Bible, it comes out like this. So my cross hangs out like this, or you can pull your cross all the way down, and then my beaded ends are like this. So if you make it the 18 inches, it's plenty long to fit inside your Bible. So all we're gonna do, you've stained your cross, you've sealed it, you've drilled your hole, you've put your ribbons through, 4, 5, 6 ribbons, however many you want to put. Put your little flower decoration on top. Then you're just going to take some beads, and we don't want to go too far. You don't want to bead it all the way up, because it's going to be inside your Bible, and it's going to damage your Bible. It's going to make your Bible buckle and damage the pages. So the whole purpose really of these beads is just to give it a little weight to hold it down when you flip it between the pages. So these beads right here, the big beads, are Lampwork beads, and I just think they're beautiful. I used them in my sun catchers. I've used them in some necklaces. Love them. This one here is just a spacer, and these are from nbeads.com, which has really good prices on beads. And these big spacers are from Amazon. So you're going to put your beads, however many you want, 2 or 3 on each one. Tie it in several knots so that it won't fall through your hole. And then on some of the others, you will put on, this is a spacer with the ring. So you just put a little jump ring and your charm. This one says protected. Then I have blessed. You can get little angel wings. You could put just a charm like that, or you could put a bead on each side of it. I also, on these, I used tiny spacers and acrylic beads. The acrylic beads mixed with the glasswork beads, the lampwork. And this one has a little Jesus charm. So you get all your beads put on, you have it like this. Now these are for sale on eBay, so I've left it open here so that I can put whatever initials. So to personalize it and make it a really nice gift, I have these little colored letters. You could use them, or I'd have to use the toothpick on this. You could use them, or there are other, like plain black and white, or I have some tan with black lettering. So you put your initials on, and you could put a bead in between each initial, or one of these little spacers in between. You could just have the initials on one ribbon, tie your little knot on the bottom, and then you have a nice gift. Wrap it in some tissue paper, put it in a little box. Beautiful gift. There you go. Good idea for Christmas. So that's it for that. My next video is going to be a driftwood Christmas tree. So I don't know how many of you will be interested in that. I was going to make one for myself, so I figured I would go ahead and video just in case anyone else was interested, would like to make one for themselves. I'm also just got through digging for a bunch of shells. I got some little teeny tiny shells that I'm going to try to make some ornaments out of. So we'll have to see how that works out. I want to make like some little, maybe little mermaids, maybe little seahorses, crabs, turtles, or I might just make traditional ornaments with seashells, maybe Santa Claus, maybe snowman, and hang them on my little driftwood tree. So that's my next big project. If you're interested in that one, come back on the next Tuesday, or subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. You'll be notified when I put up a new video. If you have any questions, you need help, you can email me. My email is always in the description. You can leave a comment in the description if you have questions about the craft that I've done. And I really don't mind helping. If there's a way I can help, send you a pattern, take some pictures, send you the pictures, whatever you need help with. So until next time, see you later. Bye-bye.